folks, JNR here. 4:20 in the morning. 4:20 in the morning. We're out going to Salt River. We're gonna go do some catfishing. I need this trip because I had a bullshit trip to California. Car problems. Delayed this trip, but guess what? We're on our way. So this is just an intro to, I guess, pictures or footage of whatever we get. John's hoping he gets a big monster.
I better get a fucking big ass.
He's hoping he
I'm
gets...
looking for 15 pounds.
Yeah. He's been catching catfish, but you know, he hasn't been catching the big ones. That's his goal. That's his mission. His challenge is to catch a good, decent one. Me, like I said, you know, I had a bullshit trip to California. There and back, car troubles, delayed this trip, and I just want to throw my line in the water, not my pole, but my line. So stay tuned. First catch of the day. Been here for about half hour. Channel. Job been getting bites. So it's been all right so far. Just starting, so we'll see what happens. First one's in the bag, right there. John, like a good one.
Take my belt.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get your belt. Don't lose this fucker. Let it bring his first catch. Hopefully he's not stuck right there. They're coming in? Woo, doggy!
Yeah.
Look at that shit. Better than mine.
That's my first one.
Yep.
Hell yeah, right on the rim, dude. That was a good
Man, that one hit hard.
Yeah, you did.
His pole almost took off, man.
I thought I was gonna lose a pole.
His pole took off. Hell yeah. We each got one, so it's probably been an hour now and we each got one, so we're using shrimp. We're just we're throwing it right about here. We got our lines about in here, and about right here there's some concrete barriers. The fish like to hang around there also. But I'm gonna stop recording and help them out. Good job. Got another one. Getting all tangled up in everybody's line. Oh yeah, dude, you're right. Another nice one. And he was just talking about that spot because he caught a nice one that he was gonna stay in that spot. And 2 minutes later, look at it. He gets one.
Right on the rim too, that one.
That's a nice one, dude.
Perfect.
Got one in the bag.
Got him.
It's that same one, it looks like.
He came off the stringer, I caught him again.
Yep. Jaw's kicking some ass today, yo.
What's that,
4? I haven't got nothing. I started it off. I kick-started it off.
Huh? Got him.
looks pregnant. Number 5.
Numero 5.
Number 2 in like 2 seconds.
Dude, I just put my bell. Did you watch me put my bell on there?
Yeah, he just threw it in, dude. As soon as he turned around,
I
bam.
literally put my bell on the thing and it like took the bell out of my hand. Wow.
Number 7. He's almost at his limit.
Almost at my limit for the Oh, they took it. We got a bait thief. That's what's up right there. Got another hit. Reuben's getting another hit on this pole right here. And I'm getting another hit. My line does look pretty tight. I'm gonna just give it a feel. Feel the current. Reuben might be on one right here. Got a little cat.
Little one.
Just got off. I think I just witnessed it.
Yeah, it was a little pan size, but it's alright because I was gonna let those ones go anyway. Yeah, the fish on. Looks like alright one. I would say that's back to back.
Back to back.
I would say that's back to back. Number 8, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet.
I didn't even have time to put down the pliers.
Throw them back. Throw them back. Oh, that's a good one. This little guy right here, little throwaway.
You on? Come on. Reuben's on another one. He's on a little streak. Oh, and it's a nice one too. Got him.
I can say that's my 5th one.
Number 5.
Net. Yeah, hold on. Pull him in, you got him. You got him. It's a nice one again.
Oh, that's a yellow. That's a yellow stringer right there.
Yellow, yep.
That's a yellow.
Yellow. When we mean yellow, we mean yellow stringer. Yeah, dude. Been a while.
Told you it was about time. I'm about to catch another one.
I gave my hole up to him this week. I had it the last couple weeks.
You hear me, old? I ain't losing your ass.
Hey man, that fucker just flew, dude. Yeah, those hooks ain't no joke, man. Every hook's been like fucking in that motherfucker, dude. What do you gotta say? What number? What number, donkey?
That's number 10.
Alright. But that one needs to be. Dude, just double up, motherfucker. Dang it, dude. You down there line up on your side and put it on the string? Grab on. See what good runners are? Yeah. Oh shit. That's what he was just telling me too. That's what he was just saying too.
You know, it's like you're trying to build up. Reuben broke his dry spell. Been a couple hours now since Reuben got on a fish. Just caught his third right there.
Got him on hot hook, I guess. Or I got another hook. Another rig. Looks like mine. He's going back in though.
Little guy.
Throw one back.
What's that shrimp?
Got that shrimp. That bad boy right here. The spout is broken.
You on?
Come on.
Reuben's on another one. He's on a little streak. Oh, and it's a nice one too.
Yeah. Got him. I can say that's my 5th one.
Number 5. Number 5 for Reuben. What do you think? You think he qualifies for the yellow?
Huh?
The yellow?
The yellow.
You think he qualifies?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Keeper.
Another one. Number 5 for Reuben.
Day 2, 4:30 a.m. First one in the bag. Somebody's still sleeping. This was a camp spot right next to the water. Six o'clock, day 2. This guy's still asleep. Camping's cool, I guess.
Reuben's on number 12.
Light up, donkey. Look at that kid. Still on? Still on.
He's like a goddamn bar of soap.
Guess it was kind of a double.
Number 13 right here. Reuben was just saying, I caught up. And right as he said, I caught up, this one just hammered the pole.
Got himself another one. That's a chainer.
Huh?
That's a chainer.
These octopus hooks, dude, are nothing nice.
Another one on the little pole.
That's a good size one too. Think we got one more spot.
Huh?
We got one more spot on the chain. We've caught a total of 32, 33, 34 fish. But we've been throwing back a lot because our limit is 10. I think we have three or four open spots. But yeah.
Battle tested the Dock Runner Ugly Stick right here at this site. Channel cats, blue cats. J&R coues deer hunting right there. Our other page, check it out. Don't forget. Out here for 2.5, 3 days, had a blast. Caught so many fish, it's unbelievable. all thrown back mostly. We kept the decent ones. Kept about, I don't know, a dozen or so.
Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in the plate. I guess that's why they call it God's country.